Welcome to ClickMyProject.com. For project abstractions, initially the image is taken for the input and then pre-processing for the pixel repetition method. The pixel repetition method is the types of pixels, so it is useful of one of the pre-processing method. And then for the LSB information hiding of algorithm, LSB is the least square bit. The information of hiding algorithm using for the security key is a proposed of information hiding cryptography. Increase the human eye visible features. The identity of authentication based on digital signature and then encryption technology is improve the security of the information hiding. It based on hiding data to extract the receive of inverse of system using A-star algorithm. This based on A-star algorithm is searching of the data. Finally, through the experiment of the comparison of PSNR value and then LSB image steganography algorithm using encryption technology is better than the stegno image method of better used and higher PSNR values. Our project flow explanation. First of all, select the input image and then pre-processing step. Pre-processing step is the image resize. This have used for pixel repetition method. Pixel repetition is the twice of images. Twice of pixels wise the image will be increases. After that is resize the image. After that, the AES cryptography system. Cryptography system, the one of the text message embedded in the embedded means LSB embedded using text wise image embedded. So the one of the read the text message inside the image. So it is the hide of data. After the extract the hide of data and then performance analysis. Performance analysis means PSNR value, MSE and MAE, mean square error and mean absolute error and PSNR value. It will be calculated. Our process running the process based on that anaconda tool. So it's open that as spider. So it based on the open the main code. This is the importing library function. First of all, run that this code. Okay, first select the input image. So this is the input image. Okay, after that this is the input image and then resize the resize of the 256 and then pixel repetition method is the resize of 215. So after that the text will be this is the secret text. So this is the secret text in between the image. Between the secret text convert to that ciphertext. Plain text is convert to the ciphertext. After that the LSB embedded image. LSB embedded image means the image hidden the data. So image hidden the secret data. Secret data means ciphertext data. So encrypted data will be inside the LSB embedded image. After that is a high resolution of image. This is a high resolution and enter the key password. So this is the password. Enter the your creation. This image will be encrypted. So this is the image will be encrypted. After the enter the password, it's the correct password and then decryption time. So this is the decryption of image. So enter the decryption text. So the decrypted image will be retrieved. After the decryption for the text will be file output. So using that A-star algorithm, this is the A-star algorithm finding that so this is the text will be retrieved in the image. This is the MSE value and PSNR value as SSIM value will be calculated. MSE is the mean square error and then PSNR is the peak signal to noise ratio and then SSIM value. So this is the performance matrix will be calculated.